Everybody, today we are showing you what we've got in the post. So, we've got that. Okay. Oh, we got slime. So, this one is the glitter slime play, which the glitter slime play, you get to do it in a bowl and then you play with it, but with this slime and jelly bar. Colour change jelly bar.
So it can turn either, I think, green or yellow?
Yeah, it's cosmic yellow to galactic green.
And the other one is slime bar,
which is oozy red. So, in the jelly bar, because it says bath on, you have to go in the bath to do these ones. You can either go in a swimming pool or a bath. So, let's see what colours.
So, this one, we have like a bluey colour. Oh, look, it's like
glittery, because it's a glitter slime.
So that's that one.
Here's the bath step 1. So you put this in and then just add the water to for when you're playing with it. And then this is the other colour.
Oh, this is different.
Yeah,
we have red
slime. That's just one. So you get instructions. Everybody, today we are doing a video of a glitter slime play by Zimpli Kids. Thank you, Zimpli Kids, for sending it to us. And we're going to show you how to make the slime play. There's loads of different one of these that you can make. So we're going to do the glitter slime play. So in the instructions that comes with it, there's the steps for how to make it. So step 1. Using a bowl, measure your warm water, here's the warm water, and gently sprinkle the slime clay powder slowly, eventually over the surface of the water.
So all of it?
Yep, do it all.
Oh, that's quite big.
So now I have to
sprinkle that in everywhere and then I'll give it a mix. So sprinkle it in and then I'll give it a mix. Ooh, it looks like a greeny colour. We'll show you when Amy put it in.
Yeah, let's go. So it's really glittery. So I start mixing and then I'll mix after you. So we've poured in our mixture. So we'll wait for 10 to 20 minutes. So we'll see you after it's formed. So this is amazing.
What it turned out like, and it's like so bluey and sparkly and really wet.
Yeah, it's like giggles.
Jiggly slime, Marmite slime.
Marmite?
Yeah,
if you mix it, it will create like this bubble, and then you go.
And you just keep on mixing it so it won't stick to anything else.
Yeah,
just like
it'll get thicker.
Whoa!
I'm collecting it all.
I'm just